Ryver is a team communication tool that lets you convert online conversations into trackable tasks. Here's an example. I'm looking at my notifications and see a comment from Pam. She needs some help. So I click on it and respond. Within a few seconds, I get a response back from her. So far, this is just like email or team messaging. Now, here's where the magic happens. I select Pam's message and click on Create Task. I enter a subject line for the task and a description. Then, I assign it to a team member and to a task category. Categories are completely configurable in Ryver. I set a due date and save it. Now that conversation has become a formal trackable task.